Tech Torch is engineered to be compact, safe, fast, and versatile. The Tech Torch is compact. Both the cartridges and handle weigh less than 1 pound each. It's safe and simple. Most operators can understand and implement the tool with minimal training. It's fast. Standard cartridges provide a 2-second burn time. A 5,000 degree Fahrenheit metal vapor jet quickly erodes metallic targets. And it's versatile. The Tech Torch has applications for tactical breachers, first responders, and salvage companies. Users can cut a diverse set of targets without the hassle, weight, and expense of acetylene or oxygen hose cutting systems. The system is designed to be versatile. The back end of the cartridge has a rugged and simple coax electrical connector that forms a mechanical joint to the handle. This connector is common to the splitter and extension cables so that users can quickly assemble an entire system custom to the scenario. Users don't need a large bag of unique parts for each mission. Now that you've seen how the Tech Torch's speed and portability can save lives, contact us for more information or to make your purchase of this handheld thermal breaching tool today.